Fractions we have already covered. Now we have to head towards the next topic, that is the decimals. You would have done decimals before also, but in class 7 you will learn few different concepts related to decimals, like how to multiply, how to divide, how to add, how to subtract, how to compare, how to convert one form into another. Like this, following concepts you will do in the decimals. I am starting decimals by taking one important type or example before. Let me take an example of 2897. I have taken the example of 2897. Understand what this means. It's very important to understand. This particular thing, dot, is known as decimal point. It is known as decimal point. And the number to the left of decimal point is known as integral part. And the numbers or the digits to the right of decimal are known as, yes, fractional part. So, integral part, fractional part, and decimal point. Now, if I remove the decimal, what do you mean by removing a decimal? If I have to remove the decimal, how to remove the decimal? We will see that after decimal, till how many digits the numbers exist. After decimal, to the right of decimal, how many numbers or how many digits are occupied by the number? Here, how many? 1, 2. So if 2, we will divide by 100. This is how we remove decimals. Okay, can you see? Again, it's in a fraction part. Yeah, denominator by numerator, numerator by denominator form. Do you remember I gave you one decimal fraction type where I discussed if numerator is divided by denominator and denominator is in the form of 10 or 10 raised to power, then that particular fraction is known as decimal fraction. Hence, decimals are also known as decimal fractions. Do remember, this is very important. One and the same thing, decimal fraction or decimals, one and the same thing. Are we clear? Now, let us understand one more important topic from here, that is, what do you mean by place value and face value? Place value and face value. Okay, let me write another example. 385,647. Again, it's a decimal. If I remove the decimal in denominator, what will come? 1000. Yes, 1000 will come. Why? Because how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. That is why 1000 will come. Okay. Now, let me make you clear with the place value. Again, to the left of the decimals, all are represented in the same way. This is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. If I talk about Indian system, okay, international system, you know, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000s, like this way we move, and then 1 million. So that is an international way. Clear? Now, if I talk about to the right of decimal, it is completely different. We never say one, we never say ones, tens, hundreds, like this. No. To the next of it, this is defined by 10th place. 10th place. Are we clear? Similarly, this is defined by 100th place. And this is defined by 1000th place. Are we clear? No more ones, tens, 100,000. 10, 100,000. And understand, what do you mean by 10? 10 means 1 by 10. What do you mean by 1000? What do you mean by 100? 1 by 100. What do you mean by thousand? 1 by thousand. This th has different meanings. It means upon. Th means upon. 10 means 1 upon 10. 100 means 1 upon 100. 1000 means 1 upon 1000. Are we clear about this? Now, for example, if somebody asks me that you have to write, shall I remove from here? We will take this example. Now, there is something called expanded value or expanded form. Say, if I take this example only, if I have to expand this. Now, what do you mean by expansion? Expansion means to strengthen something, to expand something, okay, to lengthen something. Understand what we do? We actually multiply the digits with their place value. We multiply the digits with their place value. We'll be starting from 3 first. What is the place value of 3? Yes, it is at what place? Place. Okay, place. It is at hundreds place. So we multiply 3 with 100. This is the place value. Complete. That is the place. What is the place value? Are we clear? Next, plus, because they are in addition. Next, 8 at what place? Yes, 10. 5 at what place? Once. Till now clear? Now, after decimal, again I told you that whenever the decimal is there, what we have to write? We never say 1th. We always start from 10th, 100, 1000. Similarly, and I told you what do you mean by 10? 1 by 10. So how will you write? It will continue as a plus only. But how will you write? 6 into 1 by 10 plus 4 into 1 by 100 plus 7 into 1 by 1000, because 10th place, 100th, 100 and 1000. Are we clear? Will you able to do expanded form? You may have the question in exercise 2.5 related to it, and place value also. Will you able to do? If I ask you, what is the place value of 8? What is the place value? Which place? 10th place. So 8 into 10, that is 80. The place value of 8 is 80. Why 8 into 10? 8 is the digit and the place at which that particular digit is located. We multiply together. Are we clear with this? Any doubt till now on this? That what is the place value, how to get it, how to remove decimals. Okay, but I need to know why we are starting decimals. What is the need of decimal? What is the utility of decimal? What is the importance of decimal? Understand, if you need to convert a larger into smaller or smaller into larger, understand there are two things, larger into smaller or smaller into larger. There are two things we basically denote with. There are conditions. For example, if somebody asks me that you have to convert 5 paisa into rupees, how will you do it? How will you do it? What you are doing? You are converting a smaller to a larger value. There we use decimals. Decimals are used to convert smaller values into larger. Decimals are used to convert smaller into larger. This is very important. Where larger into smaller you will study in higher classes. We use logarithms. We use logarithms for that. That is quite different. Forget about that. Just concentrate on decimals. From smaller to larger, we always use decimals. We can convert larger to smaller. But for example, if I have to convert 1 rupee is equal to dash paisa, what we write? 100. We can write, it's a fraction. But where is decimal? Are you getting? But if I want to 5 paisa to rupees, you will see the decimal for sure. You will see the decimals for sure. That is why the decimals are used to convert smaller to larger units. Clear with this? Let's see few conversions now. Before conversion, let's do this comparing part. It's very easy, understand? Now, what do you think? Again comparing, when we are talking about comparing means greater, smaller, equal or smaller or greater. Again comparing. We have to see which of the decimals is greater. Now see, 0.7 or 0.07. Understand? 0, 0 at mass place is not a problem. But after decimal, there is a change. Yes? To the right of a decimal, there is a change in digits. See here. At 10th place, we are having 7. But here, at the 10th place, we are having 0. So what do you think? Having 7 at 10th place or having 0 at the 10th place, which is bigger? Absolutely, this is bigger. Absolutely. If I am writing 70 or 07, yeah, which is bigger? You know clearly. This is what it means. This is what it means. So therefore, 0 by 7 is greater than 0.07. Clear with this? So you have to compare this way. Similarly, next question. 0.6, 0.66. 10th place 6, 10th place 6. Clear? But you can't see 100th here, but you see 100th here. Do remember, if we are writing like this, after this, you put any number of 0, those zeros have no utility. The result will remain 0.6 only. So after decimal, if any digit is there and after that digit or number you put any number of zeros, the result will remain same. There is no change. But yes, if you are writing like this, you cannot put zeros here. For example, then it is a different thing. That is a different number. Why? Here 10th place 6, but here 0. Are we clear about this? So be careful about this. So similarly, so what we have to compare? Now we have to compare the 100th place. So 100th, I told you if nothing is there, we can put 0. Here 0 is there, here 6 is 0. Here 6 is there. Which is bigger? 6, therefore. Are we clear about this? Let's see one more question. 730.54 or 730054. Let us see this example. Now, before decimal, to the left of decimal, both are same. Not a problem. Not a problem. But after decimal, here at 10th place 5 is there. Here at 10th place 0 is there. Which is bigger? 5 or 0? 5. What is the answer? This is how you will compare. Clear? Easy with the comparing part. Now let's move on to the last topic for the day.